Hey. Okay, sorry, I was just turning on the tweet. Hey everyone, how you doing? It's been a while since I've been here with you guys. Shit, I just missed it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play some. We're gonna start a new big game on this bitch. Fucking hard difficulty. I already beat this game on hard anyway, so it's not that bad. We're gonna play some Mirror's Edge. You guys gonna watch me play some Mirror's Edge. I'm gonna play the whole game. Maybe not today. I'm probably gonna stream for about an hour and a half today.
Pulse with energy. Dirty and dangerous, but alive and wonderful. Now, it's something else. The changes came slowly at first. Most didn't realize, or didn't care, and accepted them. They chose a comfortable life. Some didn't. And those who refused to conform were pushed to the sidelines, criminalized. They became our clients.
They became our clients.
We call ourselves runners. We exist on the edge, between the gloss and the reality. The mirror's edge. We keep out of trouble.
Most of the time.
Sight, and the cops don't bother us. Runners see the city in a different way. We see the flow. Rooftops become pathways and conduits, possibilities, and routes of escape. The flow is what keeps us running. Keeps us alive.
Sure it does. Alright, so as I was saying, this game is fucking awesome.
Yeah, I know you hate it.
No, skip it. Skip the training because I already done this. So, like I was saying, this game is freaking awesome. I'm not gonna be able to play the whole thing today because I gotta pick up my sister in about 2 hours, so pick her up from school. So I'm gonna be streaming for a while. But here's the deal. This game is freaking awesome. I'm gonna be speed running this soon, hopefully. If I can get the little freaking Twitch mod thing, help, shit, to so I could the timer so I could speed run this. But this is gonna be freaking awesome. I love this game. I really do. It's fun. I enjoy it. I forget what's this again. A dice prediction. This is one of the last good games that EA and DICE have made together. I forget when was a good new good game that they made. I swear. 'Cause, I mean, a lot of games have just gone to shit because they're just copying now. It sucks. It's so beautiful. But because I'm doing this on hard mode, you won't be able to see all the red. Hop! Whee. I don't remember ever seeing that. I really don't. I can move now?
Yeah, I'm
hey.
sure the birds are real impressed, mate. But once you finish showing off, I think you might concentrate on...
Sure, the birds are real impressed.
Get Celeste in position for a handoff. You need to get the delivery to her. She'll be near the communications tower ahead of you.
I love this game. I remember watching this on YouTube from another streamer. He's actually on Twitch now. He used to be just a YouTuber, but now he's on Twitch. He's freaking awesome. Vash 12349. I saw this guy doing this on his YouTube channel. I freaking loved it. This was one of the games that got me into Vash's YouTube channel. So
she's almost at the comms tower and you ain't.
Shut up.
And give her the
Oh
bag.
shit.
Take it from there.
So I'm gonna try to do this without dying once, but no promise. Oh god! Oh! Oh my god. Like that, I almost died right there. So yeah, this game is really fun. I've beaten this game about, what, 3 or 4 times?
Sounds like some blues are headed your way. News chopper tipped them off.
I think 3 or 4 times. I don't remember how many times I've beaten this game. I beat it twice on hard. The first time I beat it on normal. Oh shit! Shit! What? What the fuck? Okay, that's never happened before. Oh god. Nope, nope, I'm out.
Just get the hell out of there.
That has never happened to me before. What the hell? I swear, what the hell?
Flyers are going crazy. Get out of there.
Oh! I have never made that jump either. What the fuck, though? That has never happened to me, though. They have never killed me like that. What the hell?
I can hear gunshots, and that bird seems a little too curious.
Fate's on her way. Get your ass ready to move.
So I'm gonna try not to kill anyone, but that is actually very difficult in this game. Oh shit, where am I supposed to go? Oh, right here.
Blues ahead. You're gonna have to get through them.
Like I said, I'm gonna try not to kill anyone. I never said anything about knocking them out though. And I already got the majority of the packs, so. Fuck you! Fuck you!
You ready, Sal?
Yep, I can see face now.
Oh! Oh! Okay, glitch.
Get to Celeste. There are more blues on the way.
Come on, Faith, CPF on you, Tao. Hey, throw me the bag! Okay, I got it from here.
Okay, they're playing rough cell.
I'll be fine.
She got a gun anyway, so shit.
Get out of here!
Oh fuck. Tell them to get the fuck out of here. I remember the first time I played this on hard mode, I forgot where to go, so. Whee! Remember the first time I played this on hard mode, I forgot where the hell I had to go. What the hell I had to do. I'm just hanging. Hang in there, Faith! Hang in there! Oh, that cheesy pun.
This may be a low-key job. Why the hell were they shooting? What did you do to me?
Nothing. They just opened fire.
Don't know what the hell's happening. I'll ask around. Get your ass back to base, Faith.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Loading chapter. I swear this game is freaking awesome. I love this game. I love it way too much.
Say again, Officer Connors.
Going to see Pope. Robert Pope. Taking a statement on that break-in last week? Yeah, anyways, it's 56 West Arlen Drive. Tell Lieutenant Miller.
Copy that. I'll relay the message, Officer Connors.
Thanks. Connor's out.
Hello, sis.
You there, kiddo?
Hey, Mark.
I bet you're listening to the chatter.
You know me.
Try and get some sleep. It's been a rough day. Gonna put the word out tomorrow. See why those blues got itchy trigger fingers. I'll drop by later, okay? And don't chuck that pizza. I like the topping mature.
Matured. Yeah, I know. See you, Mark.
Shots fired. Repeat, shots fired. All units proceed to 56 West Arlen Drive immediately. Proceed with caution.
Kate!
Oh fuck. Oh shit.
You. Kate, where are you? Mark,
You off?
just get on comms and
Shit!
talk to me.
Feel free.
Sorry about that.
My sister.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's going on. Give me a second.
Well, I fucked that up for you guys. Sorry about that. Did not mean to do that. For some reason my computer went haywire a little bit. So I'm sorry about that. Oh! Oh my god. Hop. Up! Made it, okay.
Okay, Drake says there's been some heat on West Arlen. Pope's place. I guess that's where you're headed, but be careful. I'll tell him what's going on there.
Now where am I supposed to go? Oh yeah, up here.
You know he was running for mayor, right? Finally, someone who could actually make a difference in this place.
Oh my god! Ah, fuck! Well, shit. I guess I have to jump up from higher. Damn, it put me all the way back here. Fuck. Shit. Well, that didn't work. Trying to cheat the system. Don't do it, kids. Don't do it. Oh, something I used to love. Whee! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck. Oh. I used to love doing that, but when I make it. Fucking shit. Oh, poor rat. Oh my god.
Okay, Drake says there's been some heat on West Arlen. Pope's place. I guess that's where you're headed, but be careful. I'll tell him what's going on there.
Okay, this time we won't fail. Oh. Yeah, we should. I mean, we're gonna make it. Yeah, we made it. Up.
You know he was running for mayor, right? Finally, someone who could actually make a difference in this place.
Man, I wish I could read the text on the... Oh, I can! I can read it now! Oh. Editorial by mayoral candidate Robert Pope. We live in a city of millions, a safe city, a kind city, and yet not long ago the city... Oh, he left! Shit! Avian flu here to stay. City eye reports can be troubling expansion of this deadly disease. Avian flu, huh? Guess in the future they even have flu. Oh, shit. I forgot I went to an animation. There's Kate! Oh my god! I'm a dead guy.
Kate?
What the fuck?
What are you doing here?
What happened? Did you...
No! You don't recognize him?
Should I?
It's Robert. Robert Pope, friend of Dad's.
Shit, that Pope.
He called me. We hadn't talked much since I joined up. He had a break-in last week. He's still a campaigner. Don't you read the news?
It's not news anymore. It's advertising.
He was
That's
running
true.
for mayor.
So the break-in must have really spooked him then.
That's what I thought. But it was odd. He told me about the break-in, asked me to come, then asked after you.
Really? I haven't seen him for at least 10 years.
Anyway, he was alive when I got here. Just sitting at his desk, writing. Everything went black. When I came to, he'd been shot. And I'm pretty sure it's with my gun. There was a book on the desk, a diary. It was gone. I'm sure there was someone else in the building.